GMAT Mastery. Dive into official practice exams. Hello, language learners and future GMAT takers. Today, we're going to delve into an essential tool for your GMAT preparation journey: the GMAT Official Practice Exams. This resource is vital for understanding the format of the exam and improving your performance. So let's get started. When preparing for an exam as critical as the GMAT, it's essential to use materials that mirror the actual test. The official GMAT practice exams. 1. Replicate the GMAT test environment. This means you get a feel for the timing, the type of questions, and the interface. 2. Are crafted by the same individuals who designed the real GMAT test, ensuring the quality and relevance of the content. 3. Allow you to gauge your current level, understand your strengths and weaknesses, and monitor your progress. The GMAT official practice exams typically include 1. Multiple full-length exams that simulate the real testing experience. 2. Questions from past GMAT exams. This provides genuine practice. 3. Detailed answer explanations to help you understand the logic and strategy behind each answer. 4. Performance tracking, so you can see areas that require more attention. Using the practice exams effectively is key to maximizing your preparation. Here are some pro tips. 1. Simulate real test conditions. Find a quiet place and time yourself strictly. 2. Review your answers thoroughly. Understand why an answer is right or wrong. 3. Take breaks. Remember, the real GMAT is lengthy. Practice taking short breaks to recharge without losing focus. 4. Avoid overdoing. While practice is essential, avoid burning out. Space out the practice exams and balance with other study methods. And that wraps up our deep dive into the GMAT official practice exams. Remember, practicing under real test conditions and understanding your performance are the keys to GMAT success. We hope this video aids you in your journey to achieving a stellar GMAT score. All the best, and keep learning.